Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Deboe, your host with the most. This is deboestudios, a place where we're just trying to have fun. We're not here for a long time, we're here for a good time. And we have to slay whilst doing it, baby. Anyways, I know this is kind of a different setup. You know, like, Deboe, where are you? Where's the background? Where's the frames there, man? All of that kind of jazz. But it's okay. Today, I'm doing like a kind of like, this is my nighttime routine. Not really, because I don't really have a routine, but when I'm taking makeup, if I go to bed, this is what I do. Do you understand? Like, do you know what I mean? And out breath. But yeah, basically, I was sent a product by a company and I was asked to review it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you how I've incorporated it into my nighttime routine / how I take off my makeup kind of thing. So this is me after a night out, you know, in the town. If I tell you about this night, it's only God. It's only Baba God himself. When I get home, I like to put on my robe because it's actually freezing at home. Like, now that it's winter, like, child, I'm tired, I'm cold. I want to get in my bed as soon as possible. So put on my robe so I'm ready, nice and toasty. And I just go ahead and start taking my makeup. So first things first, the lashes be gone. Amen. I will take off my wig for my bride price. Amen. Hallelujah. Let the church say. Okay. So the first thing I do to take off my makeup is I use my Clinique Tapestail Balm. It looks like this. Take some of it in my hand. Well, I use my thumb to pick it out because tiny nails. I just take some of this and I start to like work it into my face. So push the hair back. Sorry, this is what you have to do when you're trying to protect your bride price at the same time. Also trying to demonstrate, you know. Anyways, so I take some of it like this on the back of my hand and I start to work it into my face, like so. I start on my cheeks and I work my way around my face. It's kind of like the oil method. You know that people use like coconut oil to take off their face? Like, that's similar, but I just don't understand the concept of putting oil on my already oily face. Like, so that's why I don't do that. But I like this because it actually removes the makeup, which is great in one take. And then all you have to do is just wash it off. So once you've washed it off, you will see that you're left with a clean base. Like, genuinely, it's actually clean. Obviously, you go in again with another cleanser because, you know, can your face really ever be too clean? I don't know. But that's what I like to do. So this is where I'm at. Ooh. So what I'm going to do, it's scary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this off and I'll be right back. So at this stage, your face is semi-clean, okay? I obviously still have like makeup around my eyes because it's not, I can't really get into, you know, scrubbing my eyes. And like around the perimeter of my face, there is still kind of makeup, but we're going to sort that out. So the next products I use, which I've shown on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, do you even like me? Hello? deboestudios on Instagram right now, thanks. Moving on. I use the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser to cleanse my face. I really like this product. I do think it is one that you guys should go and purchase. I used to use the Cerave, like, I think it was a gentle skin cleanser or like an oily skin cleanser or something like that, but it just looked like, it was like it was hydrating my skin and, you know, like very sticky, not nice, kind of slimy way. I was just like, that's not my calling. So I went to go purchase this and I've been purchasing it. It's like $5.99 on sale in Superdrug and Boots. I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere. Like, just have a look on Amazon. I order a lot of stuff from Amazon as well. So if it's something I need imminently, what's that word? Then I'm gonna find it on Amazon. I'm gonna buy it. Thank you. So then you just go in with this. I like to put it on my already kind of damp face. Like, obviously it's drying out now because, you know, I can talk to you guys, but I like to put on my damp face and I go with about 2 squirts because I have a large face. Thank you. That's how the Lord created me and I ain't my day. Okay, so I like to go with that and I just like to rub it in my face. It doesn't really foam up, but I don't really care. So yeah, it has a kind of chemically kind of smell. It's not really off-putting. Don't really care again, but I'll be right back. once I have washed my face with my ceramic cleanser, I like to go in right before I start using my facial products, and I don't really dry my face. I kind of let it air dry because of the products I'm going to use, but around my eyes I can see that there's still a bit of darkness, like from the mascara or eyeliner that I used. So I just go in with my Garnier Masala water. This is the one that I've always used. It was really one of the first ones that came out, and I've always liked it. I didn't really like the simple one. It kind of had like an oily kind of texture. I didn't really like that, so I just went with this one, and it just does the job. It removes all the mascara from my eye. If I can see, that will help, but it's okay. Yay, ow, okay. 2 minutes, I'm saying ow, but it's not really ow because they make it so that your eyes, you don't get harmed, which I think is really nice, because a lot of products, if I put it around my eyes, like it just starts to burn and it's so unnecessary. But I like the fact that Garnier have designed this in a way that, you know, doesn't burn. So yeah, make sure to take all the makeup off around your eyes. So I'm just looking in the mirror, because you don't want to wake up in the morning, yeah? Have you ever wake up in the morning and your white sheets, and then the devil wants to come and tell you that you stained your sheets? Not me, it's reminding me. Huh? Do you know how hard it is to get mascara out of white sheets? Not doing it. Not on my watch, Satan. Okay. So I'm probably talking to myself, but I'm kind of talking to you. My friend is also here, so we're just kind of all good. I'm kind of talking to myself, and I'm kind of talking to you, and I'm kind of talking to her, but it's okay. I know what I mean. So the product I want to talk to you guys today is called Yeouth Anti-Ageing Super Serum. It is this product right here. I got this product sent to me by a Yeouth company. They are a skincare brand, and this product, they sent it to me because it's like, it has like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and ferulic acid all in one. So ferulic acid is actually the active ingredient inside of this that works to do like the anti-aging properties and stuff like that. I didn't know what it was until I started using it, and it kind of helps my face like bring back its elasticity. Wow, English ain't my first language. That's between you and your makeup. I like hyaluronic acids. I really like that. I like vitamin C. I don't know what vitamin E does, but you know, it's good. You understand? So yeah, so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take this. It comes in a little pump bottle like this, and it almost applies like a cream, but not really a cream. And you're supposed to apply it to fresh, like washed skin and kind of damp. So you don't want to tone. Well, I guess you can kind of tone, like eye tones. I'm gonna tone. And if I'm using this product at night, I don't really like to use like any other heavy products. I go in with like my glycerin and rose water from Boots. I just take that on a oval cotton pad as such, and I spread it across. Oh, kind of look good as well. Good. You guys know I'm clumsy, right? So this is not me, right? Okay, cool, great. I just take that around my face. I don't actually know the direct, like, you know, there's some massages that you're supposed to go up, or you're supposed to go down or under. Like, I don't, brother, as long as it is applied in it, not here. But yeah, just apply that. So whilst it's still wet, I don't want it to be dry. So whilst that's still kind of not dry, I go in with this. Now be warned, this has a very strong smell, okay? Very strong smell. So when I first used it, I was like, what the hell is this on my face? And it lingers. Not cute. It's almost like menthol mixed with African suitcase opening day one. Like, it's just strong, but it feels really nice on the skin. Like, I'm just applying it. Look at my skin, actually. I'm saying hi. Saying hi. And I just like to push it into my skin as much as possible. And yeah, that is really it. It kind of eliminates having to use my own hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It's a product that has everything all in one. So yeah, I would definitely check it out if I was you. I still go in with my night serum, which is the Lipofab. I use the Ren Skincare Glow Tonic, which has a low percentage of exfoliant, so I like to use that every single day. And sometimes I use the Lipofab exfoliating serum in the night on top of my Yeouth Anti-Ageing Super Serum. It's kind of running out, so excuse me whilst I go scavenge. While I go scavenging. Is that the right English? Whilst I go searching for the empty product, but it's there, and I paid good money for this. I'm going to shake it all about, do the okey-pokey and you turn around. That's what I'm gonna bloody well do. Tell you that for free, mate. And if not, you start to scrape. You start to scrape, hun, listen. And you apply, hun, okay? Thank you, hun. How come my diary dead? Because the bottom wants to print like it's empty. All my enemies. Anyways, I just go ahead and apply that on my face. I didn't think like using a perfume would be great on my face, but it's worked. It's done its job, okay? And I can see that in how like my skin is not as textured anymore, especially around my pores. I have like some dark marks on my face here, but it's alright. I mean, like your face will never really be perfect, will it? But it can get to where it needs to be with consistency, and that's what I'm doing with my face every single day. Before I go to work or before I go out, every time I have a shower or wash my face, I always use my hyaluronic acid. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Supercharged Serum Booster thingy. Also use my Boots Vitamin C Serum. I haven't found a vitamin C serum that I've liked that much. I just chose any one. I'm just trying different ones at the moment, so I'm probably going to upgrade from this, obviously, because I have that much of a percentage of vitamin C in it, but we'll get there, guy. Please, I'm trying. But yeah, my last step, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It is a intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Now, my face isn't dry, but it's definitely dehydrated, so that parched element in it is great for my skin. But yeah, this is literally the last thing I use on my face before I go to bed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys, make sure to check out Yeouth, the skincare company, for any of your skincare products. I will link everything down in the comment section, no, description box below, and you guys can check it out. It is a good serum. It does have a strong smell, but you will like it because I like it, and I ain't gonna lie to you, honey. But you have to get over the scent first, okay? Anyways, have a great day. I hope you all love this video. It's something different. I want to do more different things, not just makeup, so we'll see how that goes. But I love you all so much. Have a great evening, or a great day, or a great morning. Just enjoy yourself, relax, take a chill pill, relax, like it's all living. Live it to the fullest, baby. Baby, don't flex. Come on your neck. Hey, baby, don't flex. Anyways, let me get out of here. Have a lovely week, you guys. I love you all so much. God bless you. Yeah.